One common question in deer management is why avoid shooting when the winds are up? The answer involves both practical challenges and critical bullet considerations. In deer management, effective herd management depends on precise and humane methods. Strong winds pose significant challenges for several reasons. Firstly, deer have a keen sense of smell and are sensitive to environmental changes. Windy conditions carry human scent over greater distances, alerting deer and making it difficult to approach them without detection. Secondly, as you can see from the video, from a ballistic perspective, wind significantly affects the flight path of the bullet. Wind drift, even with moderate winds, can cause bullets to veer off course, leading to unpredictable trajectories and reduced accuracy. This increases the risk of missed shots or ineffective targeting, which can undermine the effectiveness of management efforts. Therefore, retaining from shooting in strong winds is critical for effective deer management. It ensures that management practices are conducted with precision. Additionally, prioritising calm weather conditions enhances safety for all involved, reducing the potential for accidents during operations. While windy conditions present challenges, strategic timing and awareness of environmental factors are essential for successful deer management. Respecting these considerations by avoiding shooting strong winds upholds standards of precision, safety, and responsible management practices.